You have to understand the deep logic behind how Pratyahara work. In the path, if you just see the general path, the purpose is samadhi. And before samadhi, what comes? Dhyana means meditation. And before dharana, what is coming? Pratyahara. So far, you have seen yama, niyama, asana, all these practices. So, when we see the practices of yama, niyama, is purification and also the kind of working on the gross body of meditation. Now, why it happens that generally when we try to meditate, what we do? I mean, if you see in the general picture, why people close their eyes or why people try to, sit or why people look for things in order to go more deep. Those are the mudras they follow. So these are the practices in general terms you see when people talk about meditation. But that's just the outer senses work. Because you just see from outside something. If you see like Michael sitting and see how Michael is sitting, you don't know what Michael is thinking. When you see his statue from outside, you see that if he has closed eyes, you see that he has a closed eye. But what he is thinking, how is he processing inward, that you do not know. Now, what Pratyahara is, you have to understand here, like which are the sense organs we use in general. Just relate here to the topic of meditation and think and tell me which are the senses we generally use. Give me example. Sorry. Eyes. Eyes, ears, nose, skin.
All the senses, right?
So, if you see these are the senses, now what happens with the senses, like when you close your eyes, when you close your ear, when you close your, you actually do not close the nose, but when you work on the nasal passage to work for the breathing technique, or skin and tongue. So, these are the senses, you see. Now, what you do in the Pratyahara basically. Now, let's take a simple example. When we talk about food, the craving of such foods is like our sense organ work to catch it. We talk about, oh, this smell coming from nose. We smell it and we say, this is the smell of this particular object or particular food, right? The tongue has taste of it if it already tasted before. So that sense is attached to that external object. Whatever the external object is, same way the skin knows the feeling of cold, heat, right? The skin understands its own that it's a cold or it's heat, right? So these are the senses which is always for that's like a nature for the sense. The nature of sense is always looking for the sensual pleasure. And it's like a human nature that human, even if I will pinch you, will say, oh, it's a pinch. So human nature is always for pleasure, not for pain. Not ready to accept the pain in any order, emotional, physical, mental. No way human nature is to look for the pain. Now, the senses is always attached to the external, you see that. Like eyes. When you see something, it's very good, very pleasing. So always looking for external. Same way like ears, always hearing external. You do not try to take it inward. Nose, like a smell, I said, as an example, you smell and you feel, this is like a perfume or this is bad smell. You can feel it out with that. Skin with the hot and cold. Tongue is the best example because it's a subtle body and its work form is like a physical tool, but it's a subtle tool because you know the taste once you tasted it. And it's always ready to tell you that this is the taste for this particular, could be like a sweet or any other. So when you see some product, what happens? Your mouth start watering. Right? It's mean that it's craving for some particular thing which is very pleasurable to it. So these are the senses, right? These are the senses which is what we call external objects. Now for 1 minute, if you look at a cake and you try to say, no, I don't want to eat. But when you have to work with all these 5 senses for turning inward, means, it's talking about me, you know. So who is giving the message to these 5 senses to react or act? Mind. Right? So mind is the one who is giving information to work, means senses to work. And sense always work with the sensual pleasure, means external objects. Right? Now for a minute, you use this 5 mind not toward the external objects but turn toward mind. You are asking them to look toward mind. So what will happen? These 5 senses will start imitating the mind and following the mind for inward, turning inward, not external but turning inward. With the example, I want to tell you, there is one of the mudra we use. It's called Sanmukhi mudra. Why we do that? Because when we use the Sanmukhi mudra, we try to block the senses to work outward, instead turn inward. Turn inward. So as an example, what will I do? I will use all my 5 fingers. I will keep it one above, just I'm not pressing it, just like, and then one closing the ear and one down the nose and one on the chin. So what will happen when I will keep it like this, and so I am letting these 5 senses to turn inward, not outward, taking turn inward. Now you will understand the other fact. These are always listening to pleasurable sound outward, so other type of sounds which our body is producing. So those are the sounds going to listen and accept it. So what will happen? Your mind is turned for letting the senses to what? Inward. And you are turning the senses from the external object to follow the mind for, because mind is closed at that moment. Because mind is always working with the senses. Mind is always working with the senses. So when you are letting your mind to be in control to this, they are going to imitate the mind works. Now take a simple example here. The practice of Sanmukhi mudra is one, but when you practice japa, what happens in japa? Recitation, continued recitation of any mantra, that's called japa. When you recite any mantra, you continue like Om, 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 Om. Firstly is listening outside sound, but your thoughts process is Om, 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 Om inward. Now for sound you will close it, and inwardly you are still chanting, reciting the Om, Om, Om. So it's turned inward to process it, and it will be inside, and you are practicing inside that. So that's the pratyahara, means the sound or any 5 senses of which is related to the any relative objects when you turn this toward inward, it vice versa work like a, the mind gives the instruction to them, now they are imbibed and they follow the mind for the inward process. So that's how you turn those senses to work inward, not outward. That's the pratyahara.